Hi, welcome back from our RC Corner page. In the last video, we show you how to disassemble the parts of the spray tank. Now we will show you how to assemble back. Let's have a look. Ready? So we have many components here, but at the same procedure, we will go assemble this one first. It's simple. You just this one from inside and another from outside. So you just go from there. Okay. Washer first and then lock it. Good. So next we will do the assembly, the flow meter sensor. So like this, go and inside. So we just need the one screw here. So this way, we put the screw back here. Like this, okay? This is a good place. That is already have a position there. Just screw. Make it tight so your flow meter will not move. Because if you don't attach properly, you can easily have an error and it's not reading the flow. Especially the not flow. I mean the liquid level meter. It will not show you the liquid level meter correctly. Of course, most of the time you just do calibration, but also this one you need to check physically. Nice. Because the cable, okay, good. We will put back the main component of the pump attachment. Okay, so first, don't forget this seal ring. Go to the inner side. Okay, and we just go inside like this. Okay, then we just make sure this one is very tight. Then you can calm, the liquid will come outside if you don't tight properly. Okay.
When any difficult?
No, yes, because there is a seal ring inside, so you don't have to damage. So you need to go properly. Okay. There is a seal ring inside, so you don't have to damage it. Let's see.
For the next?
So the next we will assemble the flow meter and the pumps because it makes us more easier. Just screw tight and make sure it is tight. If not, you will got some spray system errors. So this is a whole assembly of the parts from the tank spray system component that we assemble here. You see it like this. So we will go to this stuff, go like this, and then remember the cable don't get stuck inside. So we just put in place pumps. Okay, this pumps, the cables here. Okay, this pump in place, also this pump in place. Good. Okay, then you just tight it, and when you tight, make sure don't get hurt your hand. Okay, and make it. You hear some alignment. It's just simple. You just go here and screw it. Make sure they are in the position. Okay. And you can tight the screw back. After you remove, make sure you tight all the screw properly. Okay, don't want to get any error, just make it tight the screw. Okay, this one also. Okay, so now we are done. We just plug back the one we unplug it. First is the flow meter. You will see the cable here, the flow meter, and also liquid level meter, liquid level meter. Okay, So first, the flow meter. So most people, they are worried, what if we can mix? You cannot mix because they are different. Okay. So simple. You can also see here. Okay. Make sure it's tight. Don't get loosened. If get loosened, you are the system will be working, but you will see some error. Okay. Okay. So all the plugs are tight and firmly. So as you see, the assembly or the spray system is done. If you have any component, you just to go this way if you need to. So that's all how we assemble back all the spray system. You just need 3 tools, 1 Allen key, and there's 2 and 1 screwdriver. So that is simple. You can do it yourself. Any component you need to replace, follow this stuff. And if you still have more questions, you can reach out to me and in our channel all the times. Okay, thanks for you, and don't forget subscribe and follow if you are the new user now, and you will see all the tips for your solution. Thank you. Bye bye.